I didn't really know this is what I signed up for. This has changed my life in many ways that I can't really imagine.
This was an extreme winter Himalayan drive. The fresh as well as the packed snow on cliffy trails was the maximum challenge.
I think the testing started once we were off the tarmac road onto what we call the off-roading part, which is nothing but a horizontal surface carved out of a mountain. The width may be one and a half times your vehicle width. Steep inclines, hairpin bends, not much of a surface barring a lot of gravel, stones, unevenness, ditches, potholes, sometimes filled with water.
Convoy, where this descent starts, 4 low, first gear, engine brake please.
Just restores my confidence, makes it stronger about my control over vehicle. Is re-emphasized that yes, I can do it, my confidence builds up.
You can't really have any adventure without risk, right? I mean, risk is part of the definition of adventure, and extreme terrain drives are no different. What we can do though is prepare for it, right? You don't know what's coming, but you can be prepared for it, and that's what sets this expedition apart.
We were on this beautiful road, mountain road. It was probably one of the best roads that I've ever seen, with a river below. It started snowing, and it was snowing. Once dusk, and then it became dark. Then suddenly started feeling a little doubtful about our capability, about risk. And then we started assessing, are we doing the right thing?
I think that's important, you know. It's not about being foolishly brave, but about being brave enough to walk back on decisions when you see the risk assessment change. It's about leaving your ego aside and just being proactive on your feet, and that's what makes risk manageable.
Once the decision to turn back was made, the lead immediately started implementing it. And what really, it just took me by surprise, and of course, by something that few people would do. She stood at the edge and said, this is where the edge is. And you come up till there, reverse, go back, come up till there, reverse. It was a very narrow stretch. And we would not have had the courage to go till that point at all, to reverse. And she just stood there.
What an epic day, yeah. Just grateful. It was extraordinary. The circumstances were extraordinary, much beyond our control. We tried our best, and grateful that all of us are safe and sound and healthy. Can I say healthy? Yes. Yeah, even in the mind? Great. Great. Because at the end of such a day, and in the middle of such a situation rather, we still aren't through with it. What will matter the most is what we are thinking. It's really not about how tight the chains are, or whether to brake, or whether you don't get tea on time, as much as it's here. Happy to report we've reached shore.
To share my experience, one of those days on Chenchal Pass, the day started with 25 odd people, and the day ended with a very strong team.
In this program, it puts us all together as a team to help each other to be successful in this mission. Be it getting the snow chains fixed, or even when a vehicle is stuck in a particular situation, all of us come together to push, pull and help the team out so that overall as a team we make progress.
It's unforgiving, man. I don't know how people live here. There are houses around us, which means people are actually living here.
These travels, they basically, it's more about searching within, right, than looking outwards and seeing what's outside. For me, it's all about simplicity of people. We come from the plains, from the city. We take things for granted. We tend to hoard. Nothing is sufficient for us. And when you look at these people, they live on basic necessities, simple pleasures of life, the smile on their face. They're so content. I think that's what we need. That's what I have taken personally. I would like to take home.
I would enjoy playing in the snow in this trip a lot because there are people, family, and dogs.
The last 3 days were very hard, both at mental and physical levels, but it made me stronger, definitely.
The last 3 days were really adventurous.
The last 3 days, I had a lot of adrenaline rush.